Alright, hello there. I just got this new soldering iron from AliExpress, which is a little solder sucker built in. A little pump. So, I've already done a few pins on here. On this side, now I'm going to do this side. Watch how easy this is. There's no flux either. I tinned it as it suggested with some solder, but watch this. Set it down there for a sec. Look at that. Be good. How fast this is. This thing was like $12 USD. Who knows how long it will last, but that's some pretty good reviews at least. Hopefully they were real. I do wish it came with a little stand, but I mean, it was like $12. So I just use my solder stand, but it doesn't fully fit in there. My regular solder station stand. But it works for now. I think I have one of those little cheapy tilt ones, which I'll probably just set this on there. I need to see how to clean it. Oh, I wonder if it's, oh, now it's just more tension. I wonder if I need to clean it out. It seems like it's getting hot enough too, which is good. I believe it said 30 watts on the listing. Ooh, that's a big solder glob. Wow, it handled it like a pro. All right, let's see. See how good of a job it did. This might be a little hot. Might have to get some flux and put it on there, but it's pretty good. Like most of them are pretty good. Let's see, I think right there. And then maybe right there. There. Let's see. Let's see if I can get some of them out. Probably should be using a different tool. Yeah, so these seem to be giving way a little bit. I don't want to break these off because I do actually want to reuse them, even though they're cheap. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it. So this one looked still a little bit. This one too. And then let's see where else. A little too sketchy for me. Hold on. Oh, maybe. Let's try it again. I don't think it's gonna come off, but let's try it. Nope, still not coming off. Huh, well, didn't pass the initial test, but might have to, I wonder if I put some flux on there. Oh well, it'll work. Let's see, where's my flux? There it is. So, I'm just gonna use a little toothpick because I don't have too much lying around right now. Scoop some more. Globbed it in one area, but all right, let's give it a go. Round 2, baby. Oh, look at all that smoke. Yeah, this thing smelled like so bad when I first powered it on. Initial heat, I guess. Let's see. Let's go through all of them again. Oh, look at all that smoke coming out. That's crazy. Like a dragon. Ooh, that felt like it just like loosened it a whole lot. I'm gonna see what's going on now. No, still in there. I'm not sure if it's just like the angle or it not like because the nozzle's like too big to get the whole thing on these smaller joints. But that sounded good too, actually. Why is that not? Come on, there we go. Just too weak. I don't know if I got that one. Ooh, that felt good too, actually. I can feel it like actually loosening. So it still looks not great. Almost done. My arm's getting tired. Ooh, that felt real good. That felt like it really loosened it. Yeah, look at the headers popping out right now. Holy crap. It just like inverted. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's going on. That is just, that is crazy. Never had that happen before. Dude, come on. Come on, man. I feel like I need some tension while I'm desoldering. Yeah, man. Yeah, it looks like most of those are all good. You can see it slowly coming out. It'll just be stuck in there. Come on. No, there's just like one or two. They're just kind of stuck in there. Such a process. Better than a wick, though, I guess. Something like this. I'm gonna say it's like over here. I'll try this area again. Come on. Let's see, let's see. Still don't have it. Ooh, I mostly have that side. You can tell there. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Yeah, look at there. It's pretty good. See if this one's popping out. Yep. Alright, so those are looking good. I'm just gonna do this little trick now. I like that. Yeah, it's kind of working. So it's definitely this side's the culprit. This other side seemed to pop out pretty well. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good. Let's see if I can get all of them though. Ooh, that was good. I don't want to break the traces off though. Looks like I'm good. They might have just been kind of jammed in there. There might just be a little excess solder. Look at the top. Yeah, I think those two, and then I'll be good. Wow, I did it. No way. Desoldering a Raspberry Pi 0 2W headers. Those are pretty clean too. It's not bad. Yeah, let's see if I can get a better focus. Not bad. And then let's take a look at the headers as well. Yeah, I might have to poke a few in place, level them out a bit, but that was my own doing. Kind of the solder sucker. I'm gonna blame the solder sucker. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, here's this little AliExpress solder sucker. 12 bucks. Not bad. It seems like it gets plenty hot too. Who knows about how long it'll last, but it it's not bad. I recommend it. I would give it my first time use. I'd probably give it a 4.5, 4.25 maybe, just because it took a little longer, but that could have been my own fault. And I didn't really add flux, so that could have also been a factor, but it seemed like it did the job pretty well. I don't normally add flux when I desolder with a solder sucker, so unless it's something kind of tricky. But yeah, this is just isopropyl. I'm cleaning up the board a bit. All that gunk from the flux. Clean the other side too, even though it's mostly clean, it's still a good idea. I like my boards clean. A little gunk on there too. This is a sweet board too, by the way. I really like this thing. I'm using it with my 3D printer with Octoprint. I've got a little camera module going on right there. I got 2 of them. They're about $15 each. Not bad at all. And you can make like a little portable game emulator as well. Linux on it. Which I'll probably end up doing with this one. And I already printed a little D-pad from Autofruits. Not Autofruits, 3D print projects on Thingiverse. But anyways, this video is long enough, so with that, I will say goodbye. Thanks for watching.